Good morning, children. Now I am going to explain you reflex action. Reflex action is a quick reaction to stimulus without brain knowing about it. Now, what is stimulus? Stimulus is any change in the environment, either it is external environment or internal environment. As for example, if we touch any hot iron by mistake, we remove our hand very fast without realizing or thinking about it. So, reflex action is an automatic response of body to stimulus. It is an involuntary response to stimulus. It is different than the other involuntary actions such as breathing, digestion, heart beating, etc. In the previous lesson, I have explained you the children involuntary action and voluntary action. Have you remembered it? Voluntary action are those actions which are under our control. As for example, running, dancing, walking, etc. Involuntary action are those actions which are not under our control, as for example breathing, digestion, heart beating, etc. So reflex action is another example of involuntary action, but it is different than the other involuntary action, because here stimulus is required, then reflex action is happening. In this case, when we touch a hot pan, the sensory nerve carry message to spinal cord, and spinal cord turn message through the motor nerve to remove your hand from the hot pan. Here there is no need of brain. The quick reaction, quick response given by the spinal cord. As for example, when I have asked any question to you, you think over it, then you answer it. अगर हम आपसे कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, जैसे कि अगर हम आपसे पूछते हैं कि कल आपने कंप्यूटर का एग्ज़ाम दिया था और आप लोग कितने पर थोड़ा चीटिंग किए थे ना, तो आप उस पर सोचिएगा. ब्रेन आपको सोचने के लिए मजबूर करेंगे. लेकिन अगर आपकी मम्मी आपको पीटने के लिए हाथ उठाती है तो आप तुरंत अपने आप को बचाइएगा, क्योंकि स्पाइनल कॉर्ड आपको बताएगा कि अपने आप को पिटाई से बचा लीजिए. तो ऐसे एक्शन को रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन कहते हैं. सम अदर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन आर वाटरिंग ऑफ माउथ व्हेन वी सी द स्मेल ऑफ डिलीशियस फूड. गुपचुप को देखकर अपने आप मुंह में पानी आ जाता है ना बच्चों. Jerking of hand when we touch the sharp object. Now you again read the reflex action nicely, and if you have any confusion, ask the question. And in homework, do the checkpoint given in page number 55. Thank you and have a nice day.